This is what Goerges Trains look like. Let's go ask if we could go record inside. Come on, Thomas.
We'll wake up eventually.
Thomas, wake up. You're not woken up.
Put it right there. Look at the side. Paints.
That they could change.
Oh, they change colors when you mix it. Well, you have to mix it before you start using it, right? You got to make sure that the paint is all mixed up.
Yeah, Daddy, we should get one of these so we could shake them up without using the shaker. These are the H's.
So European stuff. Which one's your favorite one? Which one do you like?
My favorite one are these two.
I think that's the same train. No, which one do you like?
My
You like
favorite
which one?
This one. And also my favorite building is the barn.
Oh, is the barn?
And my favorite place is this.
Oh, is the truck?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a cool one.
What?
It's a train. It even has sound. This is where they, don't touch it. This is where they test it.
Look, they also have brass colors. Even silver.
Doesn't that look pretty cool?
Yeah, and this is what all the people have in the whole wide world to drive their cars.
Oh, keys. Got some nice stuff over here.
And there's a clock. There's a lot of cars. And here. Now let's go show them the little people. So these are the little people. There's tons of people. And I'll show you the graveyard one.
Oh, look, there's a camping one.
Yeah, and there's even a camping one. And let me show you the cutest one ever.
Which one?
The ponies.
The ponies. You like the ponies.
And there's also working ones.
Cool.
And I'm going to be showing you my tricks I can do. This is pink car. The car for it is going to be...
You want to do passenger?
Yes, we're going to be finding enough passengers as we can because we don't know how much passenger seats, how much passengers there is. One.
California Zephyr.
My front one. This is my second one. I mean, this is.
You want to get that one?
This one.
Lena, do you want to get that one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, grab it.
And I really want one of my favorites.